Hello, this is Julio Davila, your Atlanta real estate agent, with another virtual home tour, Celebrity Edition. We are in Alpharetta, Georgia, which is north of Atlanta. Today we are touring the home of Eva Marcille. This home was brand new when she bought it. It has 4-sided brick, a 3-car side entry garage, 5-bedroom, 6-bathroom, and 2-story basement. There is a bedroom, full and half bath on the main. Full bath with walk-in shower, dining room, butler's pantry, living room. A spacious family room with a 2-story 3-tier stacked stone fireplace. A gourmet kitchen with pearl quartz countertops, pendant lights, 42-inch white cabinets with underlighting, stainless steel appliances, breakfast area and walk-in pantry. It also has sunroom. It has a huge owner's bedroom and retreat area. Large bedroom upstairs with walk-in closets and library. Upgrades throughout and irrigation system in yard. Don't forget to tell us what you think in the comments below, like, and subscribe. Now let's finish the tour.
Perfect.